Okay, Charles, so this book is about general knowledge. And do you know where to find the author of the book? You know what the author is? The author is the person who wrote the book. So I'll show you where his name is. Okay, so in this book, does it have the author? Okay, maybe it's on the side here. Oh, right here, Charcy. If the author isn't on the cover, the name of the person who wrote the book, then it would be on the side here. See, right here it says James McLean, Alex Frith, and Marco Palmieri. These are the three people. These are the three people who wrote this book. Okay, and the title is here. The title is what the book is called. This book is called General Knowledge, and it's called an Usborne Lift the Flap type book. Okay. So where's the author? Do you see the author? Yep. And who's the author? What does that mean?
The person that wrote this book.
This book, yeah. And sometimes there's also a thing called the illustrator. And the illustrator is the person who drew the pictures in the book. But I don't know if they have any names here of the illustrator. It doesn't say the name of the illustrator. Maybe we'll find it inside. No, I don't see it in here. What's the illustrator? What does that mean? Remember? What does the illustrator do? The author writes the book, and what does the illustrator do?
Write the pictures.
Yeah, it draws the pictures, right? Okay. All right. And then what's the title? What's that mean? What is the word when you say the title? What's the title? What does that mean? The book. The name of the book. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we'll go through this book, and then you can tell me some of the words. Okay, it says here, if you drive the circumference of any circle, if you divide the circumference of any circle by its diameter, you get 3.145, this number. This number is known by the name of the Greek letter pi, Pi, which looks like this. Pi. Okay? So from what I read and looking at the picture here, what do you think I was just saying? Look at the picture. What is it showing? So it says, go ahead.
A circle.
A circle, and what is the circle doing? You know the showing on the circle? It says here, if you divide the circumference of any circle by its diameter, you get 3.15. So right here it says the circumference, if you divide, what does divide mean? Do you know what that means? What if you divide it?
Cut it into two equal pieces.
That's cutting it in half. Yes, exactly, right. So by this picture, can you tell what they're saying? So if you're dividing the circumference, what circumference mean?
Making it into one whole circle.
The circumference is the size of the circle. You get it? And then dividing it is dividing the diameter. Diameter means going from one end of the circle to the other end of the circle. So what does diameter mean? Going from one side
to the other.
And then what about circumference? Circumference, what does that mean?
How big it is.
Yeah, the length of the circle around.